Thank you so much, First Deputy Speaker, for recognizing the people of Chiromoni, Kabula, Nancholi constituency to add their word. Mr. Speaker, Chiromoni, Kabula, Nancholi constituency, like any other constituency, requires several development, and on our list of the things that we would like the Nkulukuta Moyo government to do, besides the 5 billion, is as follows. When it comes to road infrastructure, we are pleased to inform the people of Chiromoni, Kabula, Nancholi constituency that due to the 5 billion that the Nkulukuta Moyo government has given each and every constituency in Chiromoni, we're going to start with the Manasseh Police to Nancholi as a first phase, and then we're going to move from Nancholi to Manyowe as a second phase. We will also be constructing the Chisangalalo ring road. However, we will be short because we need to do Chiromoni market to Chiromoni 4 ways. We also need to do Chiromoni Police to Sonki Road. And then we have the Chinkwende to Housing Road. We also need to do installation of street lights from the Chiromoni main market to Ntukwa. We also need to do the Sunnyside MRA bypass road. We are grateful to the DPP government. We have a bypass now from Bank Road into Namiwawa Secondary School or Namiwawa Namiwawa Primary School. But now we also need another bypass for people coming from Mpemba. They can bypass, go inside South End into the new Village House Road, and then go straight from there into Namiwawa, coming out by Malawi Revenue Authority. We may need a bridge there, and we request the able Minister of Transport, which I have been speaking with him privately as well, to make sure that we see that. On health, First Deputy Speaker, we need an additional structure to cater for cholera patients at the Chiromoni Health Center. The Ministry of Health should also consider allocating an ambulance at the Chiromoni Health Center. I know that the CDF by Nkulukuta Moyo requires us to buy 1 ambulance, but our constituency has got 3 wards, and it's vast. So let me, on that note, we spoke to the DHO of Blantyre. They've given us one ambulance, which was not functional. And may I take this opportunity to thank K Motors, who is now fixing that ambulance pro bono for the people of Blantyre City, Chiromoni. And I think these citizens need to know that the people of Blantyre, Chiromoni, Kabula, Nancholi constituency appreciates the support from K Motors.
Member.
As I was saying,
Member, you have 4 minutes.
As I was saying, many thanks to the Ministry of Health. Through the DHO of Blantyre, we have been given an ambulance which was not functioning, and many thanks to K Motors, who are fixing that ambulance pro bono. The quotation, First Deputy Speaker, was 33 million, but they're doing the job pro bono. We also need construction of Nicholas Ponde Ponde maternity, which is already in the 5 billion budget. We need to upgrade the MDC ground so that our youth can use that properly as a youth center. We, on education, need to construct the Moody secondary school in Manyowe. Manyowe only has a primary school. We need the construction of Chiromoni, and that one is already under the 5 billion Nkulukuta Moyo CDF. We need additional blocks at Likubula West Primary School, and we need an upgrading of Namiwawa CDSS to conventional secondary school. Finally, we need the additional blocks at the Catholic Institute Community Day Secondary School. Speaker, security, we need the construction of the Manyowe Police Unit. We also need to upgrade the Chiromoni Police standalone station, and security patrol vehicle is required. Finally, Speaker, on the bridges, we need to construct the Manasseh Chirumba Bridge. We need the Issa Bridge and the construction of the Blantyre Police Line Bridge to Blantyre Market. And finally, the Chiromoni CCAP Bridge. These are from the 3 wards, first Deputy Speaker. I will be failing in my duty if I do not thank the following chiefs for the unwavering support to His Excellency the Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika Nkulukuta Moyo. These following chiefs: Group Village Headman Chibwana, Group Village Headman Chiromoni, Group Village Headman Chimire, Group Village Headman Kausiwa, and Group Village Headman Kampala. Then we have chiefs like Chopenga, Chief Malten, Chief Sumani 1, Chief Sumani 2, Cheswema, Akaunga. I say thank you for the promise, and we will not let you down. The Nkulukuta Moyo government will also not let you down. From the people of Chiromoni Kabulanancholi constituency, Speaker, are very grateful and thankful for the time that you always allocate to the great people of Chiromoni Kabulanancholi constituency. With those few remarks, Speaker, I submit. Thank you.
Thank you very much.